Well, the bluebird does not like the squirrel being so close to his home. he is really pounding that squirrel. Poor thing. He's just trying to get him some breakfast. He ain't messing with the birdhouse. I think the bird finally gave up. Glad he doesn't do that to me when I go out there to clean up that tray or dump the water out of the rain gauge. But he is upset. Meanwhile, the squirrel keeps foraging. So maybe in retrospect, it wasn't such a good idea to put a squirrel feeder below a birdhouse. That bird, he's bigger. He's biting off more than he can chew. And the squirrel just keeps on feeding.
So I now know why the bird was flogging the squirrel earlier today. I don't know if you could hear it, but when the daddy eastern bluebird flew into the birdhouse, you can hear the chicks chirping. So he and mom have been flying into that birdhouse pretty regularly this evening to feed them. They seem to be taking turns doing it. One will fly in and bring some food, and then the other one. Pretty amazing. I've had this birdhouse for some time, but at least a couple of years. But this is the first season that we've actually had it outside for birds to use. And this is our first nesting couple in it. Birdhouse was built by my wife's dad. You can see it's paid off.